Welcome to another episode of Plant Fanatics. Today we're going to be debunking the biggest myth that there is in the planting community, so stay tuned. So what I'm about to talk about, I'm sure that all of you guys have heard before. It's, I don't have a green thumb, or that person has a green thumb. And I thought that people were joking about that for a long time, and some people are. But there are people that literally believe that some people just have a green thumb, they just have the touch that it takes. If they just walk by a plant, it's going to breathe life into the plant. And this just isn't the case. If you were to watch somebody who had a quote-unquote green thumb, all they're doing is the basic necessities to keep that plant alive and thriving. So the reality of the situation is, whether these people that have the green thumbs know it or not, they're just doing what's necessary to keep the plant alive. And anybody is capable of doing that with the right education. So if you're a person who hasn't been able to grow plants in the past, but you really want to garden, then I would highly suggest that you click the subscribe button on this channel, because we're going to take you through everything you need to know to keep a plant alive. As you can see, it didn't take long to debunk that myth. If you know somebody that has a green thumb and you're planning on doing a garden and you haven't been able to grow plants in the past, send this video to them and tell them you're coming for them. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with all of your friends. Thanks for watching.